Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to dive into an exciting topic which is on sending in confidential email using Google Workspace. We all know what is Google Workspace, right? Google Workspace is nothing but a compilation of different tools such as Google Drive, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides, and etc. Okay, it is very useful to increase our productivity. So we all know that with the rise of cyber threat and data breaches, it is very crucial to take steps to protect the sensitive information when sending a communication online, right? Thankfully, Google Workspace offers a very powerful tool that allows you to send a confidential email very securely. So let's get started. So basically what we will do today is we will see how this particular confidential email tool works. Okay, so what I did, I have drafted one mail, you can see here. Okay, so this is one mail and now we have to send this particular mail and we have to mark this mail as confidential. Okay, so what we will do, first we will add the recipient. So recipient, I'll add one mail ID. I have added the mail ID. Okay, now while sending a confidential mail, what you have to do, you have to tick mark on this particular option, which is a toggle confidential mode. So when you click on this particular option, it will enable the confidential mode. Okay, so just click on this one. So there are two different things which we get after clicking on this toggle option. Okay, so first one is we can set an expiration. Okay, after how many days this mail should expire. So in the drop down there are so many options. Expire in a day. If you want to expire this particular mail in one day, you can select the first option. Then expires in 1 week, then expires in 1 month, then expires in 3 months, and at last expires in 5 months. So we can select expires in one day. Okay, and you can set the you can see when this particular mail will get expire. It will get expire on Wednesday, June 14, 2023. Okay, now after this there are two options. If you want to set a passcode for this particular mail, means when this particular mail is opened by the recipient, they will get one OTP or passcode via SMS, right? If you want to do this, you can click on this one, SMS passcode. Okay, if you don't want to set a passcode, then you can click on no SMS passcode and just you have to save this. Okay, now see, when you enable this toggle confidential mode, okay, you can see this particular thing in blue color. Okay, and it says that content expires on, and then expiry date will be written, which is nothing but June 14, 2023. Okay, now what are the advantages of this particular confidential mode? The advantages of this particular confidential mode are, okay, we can set an expiration date. Okay, we can revoke a message access at any time. Okay, if you let's say you have sent the email. Okay, now you want to revoke the message access at any time, you can revoke using this particular mode. And one more important thing which we have already seen is that in this particular confidential mail, we can set a verification code by text to open the messages. Okay, now only three steps are there. So the first step is we have to compose the mail, which we have already done. Then second is we have to enable the confidential mode, which we have done. And at last we have to set an expiration date, which we have already done. And we have to select one option whether it requires passcode or not. That also we have already set. Now we can click on send. Okay, now see, the email is already sent. Now we can open the recipient inbox. Okay, if you observe carefully, new mail will come. See, the mail is urgent and confidential, important information inside. Okay, I have just put it this particular subject line. Now if you open this particular confidential mail, see, now here also it is written that this particular content will expire on whatever the expiry date we have selected. Okay, and the important features of this confidential mail are The recipient cannot forward this particular mail. The recipient cannot copy or print this the content inside the mail, or he or she cannot download the attachment along with this mail. Okay, so these are the important features. I hope you got how to send the confidential mail and the features of the confidential mode. Thank you for joining with me in this video. If you like this particular tool, please hit on the like button. Thank you for joining. Have a wonderful day.